is going on, Ben Nation? I hope everybody's having a great morning. My name is Bleeves, and we're here to talk about Bencoin, what's going on, maybe a little idea of what's happening behind the scene. Looks like we have about 10 days left. We had a nice little pump into the 31s, coming down to 29 right now. The broader market, however, is massive sell-off. We've lost about 13 billion in market cap in the last, I want to say, 8 hours. So a little downward trend starting to develop overall in the market. But if you listen to me for any length of time, you knew it was coming. Let's check the charts. Let's check the price action. And we have a message from Ben. So let's check it out right now. As you guys can see, we minted a new point of control, and we are now in that value area low, which means that between here and about 2,500, that's an accumulation zone for you to go long. And great thing, just continued move to the upside, which has been a very nice change for recent times, right? I don't know that this downward move is going to maintain. It will. There's going to be a shock, I think, coming in the next little while on this price action. But my best idea here is accumulate into this zone right here, and then let it ride up to the point of control. Take your profit, take your original investment out, do what you got to do, and then allow the rest to ride up here. See if you can get into the value area high. Just pay attention to the chart. Watch the flow of the money coming in and out, as you can watch on this. Let's do a MACD right here. Money flow coming out. The RSI has crossed over the signal line, signaling downward pressure. We saw that happen right here, and it did play out to perfection. Starting to separate and starting to spread. So there may be some more downside. So what we're looking for is we're looking at least for a rounding. And I'm not telling you how signals are going to play out, but I would be looking for a rounding of this to show that it's about to head back in to a positive. And then I would look for a little closing of the gap between these two. And if I see that happening and it's in this range right here, then I'm going to go long, and I'll be looking for a take profit in that area. So let me know in the comments what you intend to do, if you intend to do any of that, or are you going to accumulate more Ben for 10 days from now when this V2 starts to launch? But the overall price structure, we are looking at a really good comeback right now. Still not at 20 million market cap. I know that's the goal. If you think 20 million market cap is a good goal for the next step up, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure that you engage with the content. Make sure you hit the like button along the way. Also, not a whole lot going on with Join Bencoin right now, but Ben himself did put a video out, and in it he talked about how he considered his situation bad, that he's been going through some stuff, but at the same time the banks are in a worse situation than he is. And a shout out to the banks. I think that we've got a big problem in the United States, and it's going to get worse, and that's going to be representative of that hedge against inflation that Bitcoin represents. So there is a lot going on here. And he's up this morning. One who loves the people can be troubled. Sun Tzu. So and that's the art of war, baby. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Price action. I'm gonna look for that reversal coming pretty soon, but I'll be watching money flows coming in and out, trying to find that next move. But we are in a bullish pattern right now after this very, very long accumulation period right here. We've moved up point of control from here to here and now up to here. That is a bullish indicator. So will it maintain? That's the question right now. And don't know the answer to that, but we are going to follow it. We are going to watch it, and Bencoin to the moon. This is not financial advice. My name's Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will talk to you again very, very soon.